Put hamburger patties in the dough for the best savory pie. Let's start by adding 3 eggs to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of oil, 500 milliliters of milk. I'll season it with a bit of salt, a little smoked paprika, some black pepper. Now, let's mix everything well. Then add 1½ cups of flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. Let's mix it again. In a greased floured pan, add half the batter. On top, we'll add hamburger patties. I'm using 6 pre-fried ones here. I'll also add a small can of corn. $200 grams of shredded ham. $200 grams of shredded mozzarella. Now add the rest of the batter to cover it all. Sprinkle some oregano on top of the batter. Then bake it at 150 degrees for 50 minutes. Look how amazing this savory pie turns out, folks. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.